Hey there! Ever wondered what it would be like to zap things with a laser straight out of your favorite sci-fi movie? Well, guess what? Military laser systems are making that futuristic dream a reality. Let's dive into this mind-blowing tech and talk about how lasers are changing the battlefield forever. Imagine this. You're watching a drone flying high above the horizon, gathering intel, or maybe even carrying a payload meant for harm. Suddenly, a beam of light shoots up from the ground, invisible to the naked eye but deadly accurate. In seconds, the drone is neutralized. No explosion, no shrapnel, just precision destruction. That's not science fiction anymore. That's the power of modern military laser systems. These aren't your run-of-the-mill pointers you use during presentations. We're talking about directed energy weapons, DEWs, capable of delivering intense bursts of energy at the speed of light. And yes, they're already being tested and deployed by militaries around the world. Alright, let's break it down in simple terms. A laser weapon uses focused beams of electromagnetic radiation, usually in the infrared spectrum, to deliver massive amounts of energy onto a target. This energy heats up whatever it hits, whether it's metal, electronics, or explosives, and either disables or destroys it. Here's the kicker. Unlike traditional bullets or missiles, these lasers move at light speed. There's no need to calculate trajectories or account for wind resistance because, well, physics doesn't get much faster than 299,792 kilometers per second. That's the speed of light for those keeping score. And here's another cool part. They can adjust their power levels depending on the mission. Need to disable a small drone without causing collateral damage? Dial it down. Want to take out an incoming missile? Crank it up to max. Let me tell you why everyone in the defense industry is buzzing about these bad boys. Cost efficiency. Traditional munitions like missiles cost hundreds of thousands, if not millions, of dollars each. Firing a laser? It's basically electricity and some advanced hardware. Once the system is built, the ammo costs next to nothing. Precision strikes. Remember that scene in Star Wars where Luke Skywalker uses his targeting computer to blow up the Death Star? Okay, maybe not quite that dramatic, but lasers offer pinpoint accuracy. They can hit targets as small as a few centimeters across, minimizing collateral damage. Unlimited magazine. Unlike conventional weapons that require reloading or resupplying, a laser system keeps firing as long as it has power. Think of it as having an endless magazine. It's every soldier's dream. Countering emerging threats. Drones, rockets, mortars, and even swarms of smaller threats are becoming more common on today's battlefields. Lasers excel at taking out multiple fast-moving targets quickly and efficiently. You might think this all sounds too good to be true, but trust me, it's happening right now. The US Navy has already deployed the Laser Weapon System, LAWS, aboard ships in the Persian Gulf. It's designed to shoot down drones and small boats, and early reports say it works like a charm. Meanwhile, the US Army is working on the Indirect Fires Protection Capability High Energy Laser, IFPCHL, which aims to protect bases from incoming artillery shells, rockets, and drones. Over in Europe, Germany has developed a truck-mounted laser system called Sky Ranger, capable of intercepting airborne threats. Even space isn't off limits. Some countries are exploring the idea of using lasers to disable satellites or defend against anti-satellite weapons. Space warfare. Anyone? Now, before you start imagining yourself commanding a fleet of laser-equipped soldiers, there are still hurdles to overcome. For one, these systems require a ton of energy, so portable versions for infantry troops are still a ways off. Weather conditions like fog, rain, or dust can also affect performance since particles in the air scatter the laser beam. Plus, while lasers are great for short to medium range engagements, they struggle against targets moving at extremely high speeds over long distances. so don't expect them to replace railguns or hypersonic missiles anytime soon. Despite the challenges, the future looks incredibly promising. As battery technology improves and engineers figure out how to miniaturize these systems, we could see handheld laser rifles within our lifetime. Imagine soldiers equipped with weapons that never run out of ammo and can adapt to any situation. Sounds like something out of Call of Duty, right? But beyond combat, think about the humanitarian applications. Lasers could help clear landmines, destroy hazardous materials, or even provide non-lethal crowd control options. The possibilities are endless. So what do you think? Are military laser systems the ultimate game changer, or does the tech still have a way to go? One thing's for sure, they represent a massive leap forward in how wars will be fought in the future. From disabling drones to protecting troops, these weapons are rewriting the rules of engagement. Next time you watch a blockbuster action movie and see someone wielding a laser gun, remember, you're looking at tomorrow's battlefield tech. And who knows? Maybe someday you'll get to see it, or even use it in action. What do you think about all this? Ready to join the laser revolution?